Financial services regulator ASIC seems to have increased its focus on recruiting from within the financial planning industry. Money Management understands the regulator has recruited former employees of smaller practices but also large institutions like AMP, a move welcomed by the industry.
One of the criticisms of ASIC is that obviously their understanding of what financial planners do and financial planning businesses, and so I think it's very positive if ASIC are looking to recruit within the industry, so financial planners, CFPs with actual experience in dealing with clients and actually going through the financial planning process. Them being inside the tent, so to speak, being inside of ASIC, I think is a good thing for ASIC and for the industry. And I think their consultation and engagement with the industry can always be improved, and I think you're seeing signs of that already.
AFA Chief Richard Clippen applauded the change in ASIC's approach, which he said was also reflected in the willingness of people like Commissioner Peter Kell to speak at events and attend roadshows. Both Diggory and Clippen have also noted increased efforts by the regulator to consult with the industry. In the latest financial planning shadow shop exercise, ASIC engaged an expert reference group, members of which were nominated by the AFA, FPA and ASFA, which helped define quality of advice. This was in addition to consulting with its consumer advisory panel established by the regulator in 1999.
You know, where ASIC are involved in specific project work within the industry in terms of surveillance monitoring or understanding the trends or issues within the industry, I think that it would be worthwhile, and I think it's beneficial for them and the industry to have people or a working group, if you like, set up specifically to target that specific issue that ASIC are looking to investigate. So therefore recruiting within the industry, utilising groups like the FPA to help nominate appropriate persons to be involved in that working group will support the success of that project. So I think that's a great step, and that Shadow Shopper was one example of that, and I think they can continue it with other initiatives down the track. And hopefully that will continue, and hopefully that relationship will grow and foster into something more of a co-regulatory environment as opposed to this, clear, policeman type of approach.
Also in Money Management this week, almost half of financial planning practices have been approached by a rival dealer group as the turf war between institutions heats up. And are multi-manager funds the perfect product for today's economic environment?